Welcome to the Pye Motors Transit Centre here in Morecambe. Telephone number is 01524 598 598, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. I'm just going to give you a quick walk around of this Transit Connect Limited that we currently have in stock here at Pye Ford Transit Centre in Morecambe. The Limited has front fog lights as well as 16-inch alloy wheels. In the rear of the vehicle we have a nice load space and an LED load space light for when it gets dark, as well as a load through hatch that goes all the way into the front, giving you the full length of the vehicle for loading in pipes, bits of wood, whatever you may require. Round the back we have reverse parking sensors, a reversing camera and doors that open past the 90-degree angle with this little yellow button here. Oh, it says when he does it right. Giving you a much wider aperture for loading and unloading. In the cabin we have automatic headlights and wipers, along with electrically adjustable and folding wing mirrors. And on your steering wheel here you've got your cruise control and speed limiter, as well as media controls and controls for the screen displayed in front of the driver. The head unit has built-in satellite navigation, as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth for your phone and media, and is controlled both on the touchscreen and via this unit. Moving down the front console, when it comes into focus, we've got a wireless charging pad just here, and your air conditioning controls, heated seat and quick clear heated front windscreen, and obviously your 6-speed manual gearbox. To find out more about this vehicle or any other we have in stock here at Pye Ford Transit Centre in Morecambe, please give one of the team a call on 01524 598 598. Thank you.